I'm at Rhine Falls in northern Switzerland. This waterfall is 490 feet wide and 75 feet high. This is the most powerful waterfall in all of Europe. As you can see, the water's rushing pretty good. This is gorgeous. There's a rainbow here. There are boat tours. I just took the walking tour from Laughlin Castle, which is right on top of the hill there. It also allows you this unique view of the falls. There's a bridge over here. You can go on the high side and take pictures. And the boat tour, I believe, leads you to that island, maybe? There's a boat dock down here, but this is a phenomenal, I mean, you can hear it. It's pretty amazing. This is definitely the largest waterfall I've seen so far.